Okay, are you looking for extensions for Dia? Okay, here's the thing. You can actually install any Google Chrome extension to your Dia browser, right? So I recently made Dia my default browser to test, and one of the most basic extensions that I cannot live without is this little one called YouTube Playback Speed Control. So I was looking for a way to install this extension, and you know what? You just have to go to the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Dia, and then confirm, and wait for it to do its thing. Yep, it's done. So it's added to your extensions. If you want to see your extensions, just like on Chrome, you go to Dia and then type extensions, and you should see all your extensions here. Right, so look at your list of extensions on Google Chrome and open them here and then add to Dia and enjoy. Thank you.